Just heard from Haley.
What's going on,
There's an
everybody?
assault happening nearby.
Day 4, Miles Morales. Been away for a little while, wasn't feeling well. But let's see if we can get something going on, because I'm feeling pretty good today. So as it stands right now, Miles and Finn know each other's secret identities, if I'm remembering that right.
Who are these jerks that think they can just beat up innocent people?
Oh, crap! It's the spider! He can't take all taking you out! Let's see how tough you really are! You're mine! Stay out of my business, freak show!
That's what you get for harassing people.
What's up? All right. What do we got on the plate? I've done a bit around here except for the skills challenges. I'm not too worried about those right now. At least not on camera. Let's do this reactor. Reactors are kind of fun.
Hey, Spider-Man.
Got it. Down there. I'm here.
And I'm on their network. I can see what you see and all the wiring in the lab.
Nice.
Let's shut this place down. Might be something behind that door. Let's see what we've got here. Genki, you ready to pop this door open once I power it up?
Ready and waiting.
I need to follow the power cable. Did that do it?
Yep, and I got it unlocked.
There's a new form reactor powering this place. Just gotta drain it.
You should be able to find it on the ground floor. Straight ahead.
You see the latest quarterly report? I don't read that stuff, and I don't know why you...
Why can't I stay invisible? I mean, for longer than that.
You're down.
I kind of didn't need to heal that time.
Check on Bravo 2 and see what's the problem.
The problem is your nasty new form reactor. The solution is me wrecking it.
Knock him out!
Hey man, found some heavily redacted but still legible files.
Nothing we can use to expose them, right?
Nope. A bunch of tests confirming Nuform gets explosive when exposed to electricity.
Like my venom?
Like any stray spark. I mean, it makes gasoline look like lemonade. Works better in my head.
I got it. Once again, new form's way more dangerous than Rockstar wants to admit.
The reactors are nice little challenges for real.
We're detaining you!
Damn it.
Finish him off! Dismissed immediately!
Whoa. Motherfucker. Any more? Yep. Oh, boy.
Target is hostile!
Cleared out the guards.
Yeah.
Now for the reactor.
Security shutters are open. You know what to do.
I know there's parts around here. I don't want to leave without them.
Probably worth looking around here.
Dear Roxxon employees, as thanks for your hard work, we put together a little gift package. So get ready to look cool in some killer Roxxon swag. Oh, when do you guys see these sunglasses? We got tickets to our holiday gala and, you've been waiting for it, complimentary enrollment into our coaching program. Boom. Hey, maybe I'll see you in class. Remember, we're here for you.
Yeah, we're here for you. Unless New Form wrecks you. That guy's the worst. Gotta be a way out.
Yeah, but we're not trying to get out. Not yet. Oh, or maybe I... Ooh, come on. So I just left them.
Can you imagine telling yourself a year
Man.
ago that we'd be taking down an evil energy
Guess I'm
company
going
together?
back in.
Honestly? No.
We've gone from making batteries and chemistry to you becoming a human battery.
It's wild, dude. Can't wait to see where we go from here.
When's other Spider-Man coming back?
Move your buns already!
I'm going back in there to get those parts.
Let's see what we've got here.
Okay.
Say it to me again.
New form isn't dangerous.
Nope. See? I sensed your hesitation. They think our clean energy is too good to be true. You need to prove them wrong.
I promise you, new form isn't dangerous.
See, you're still not getting it. The words don't matter unless I hear the belief in your voice.
New form isn't dangerous.
I tell you what. You take this recording, okay? And you're going to practice in front of your mirror. And you're going to do it again and again and again and again and again. And you're going to convince me tomorrow.
Okay. I think I have to go through it all again. I don't think I can leave until I've beat everybody up. Man. You should be able to leave without having to fight everybody all over again. But then that's how you grind. That's a nice little grind spot. Yeah, this has been a cool game. Cool button masher. It's alright.
Hey, Spider-Man. Happy Hanukkah.
Same to you.
Whatever.
Is there anything? Nope, guess not. Alright.
I gotta call you back. Alright, Miles. Spill it. Give me the whole situation.
Finn, Roxxon, Underground. It's just a lot, you know?
You're 17. You're stressed. And you're a superhero. You gotta cut yourself some slack. You still making beats?
Not much since I started this.
Work-life balance, kid. Most important thing.
That's facts.
Here. Little project your dad and I started back in the day. Our mixtape. Had rhymes ready and everything.
How come I never heard about this?
Cause we never finished. We sampled street noise around the way. Wanted the city to be our beat. But your dad had the masters. And after things went bad between us... But you can finish what we couldn't. Plus, it'll take your mind off work.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. What do I do?
Load that up. I'll walk you through it. I'll set up holograms to guide you. Scan the source.
Holograms, huh? You stealing my moves? Okay, don't think about Finn. Focus on sounds. Clear my head.
Scan the holograms and it'll unlock files on that drive I gave you. Help you figure out which sound you're looking for.
Come on.
Now try and find the original sound and grab a clean sample.
Thank
There you go. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, man. Dude.
Rest of the sounds you need are spread across the
Oh,
I left a few
another
messages for you,
task
too,
that-
to help you get a feel for each location.
Oh, dope.
Not dope. Jeez, it just keeps tacking on more stuff.
Now. Hey, get some you like?
They're probably
Yeah,
simple enough,
really
but
unique dynamics.
man,
See,
dude.
old man still knows his stuff.
And you were right about clearing my head, too. I know what to do about Finn. I gotta see her. Try to talk her out of all this.
In person? Where?
Trinity Church. Tomorrow night. Why so interested?
Because you got a target on your back the size of Jersey.
You don't have to protect me.
Someone should.
You know, you said you never finished this tape because of how things went bad between you and Dad. What actually happened between you two?
It was complicated.
Yeah.
We were too similar and too different. Finish the tape, get all the samples, and you'll hear the whole story. Promise.
All right, thanks, Unc.
Why can't you tell me now? That'll be some shit I do off camera for sure.
Trinity Church. Remember, Tinker is yours, but leave the boy alone.
Cool. Boricua.
did that. I was beat. Okay, I'm gonna call Finn. Soon as I'm ready to go. Glad my gear survived the move. Mom? Genki? Anyone home? Think it's just me. Mom's room's starting to look like Mom's room. Bathroom's been a little crowded with me, Mom, and Genki all here. Bridge attack didn't slow Mom down at all.
Wanted you to sleep, campaign headquarters, text, okay.
Kinda nice to have the apartment to myself. Hard to think of Ma as a little kid. A little music would be nice.
No. Matter of fact. Okay, it's off. I hope that's just generic salsa music. For real. Nice though. Like that. Give me a level, thank you.
Genki says a street artist named Haley's got a lead on the people messing with Harlem. Looks like a party.
Hey, it's her again.
Are you Haley?
Our Spider-Man. Thank you.
She can always request it in the app. Genki said you could help me find the guys messing with Harlem? You followed them? It's dangerous. And brave. I'll go there. Try to shut them down.
That's cool. He knows how to sign. That's cool.
Didn't know Spider-Man could fix public transit.
Hey, man. Haley told me where to find our criminal friends' setup. Hoping I could shut down however they're communicating with their boss.
I'll check nearby cell phone towers. Do some network surveillance. See if I can figure it out so we can cut the connection.
Joe, call you when I'm there. Genki, guys are definitely set up here. Gonna clear them out. See if I can shut down this whole operation.
Happy punching, Spider-Man.
You talked to the big guy today? Supposed to hop on a call with him in a few. Not your fault the kid spider showed up and busted all our plans. All this guy cares about is results. But you've been with him for years. That's because I get results. Can't take all of us!
Ah, saved him.
That one felt good.
He's out cold.
Oh, dang, there's a bunch of them.
I'm gonna pound you, kid. Heads up, he's airborne. Got a shot.
That gear should lift the door. I can get inside if I use the gear. Not what I expected. There's gotta be more here. Footprints that vanish. Okay. Big old do not push button. I'm gonna push it.
Hey, pulled network data. Webcam calls to the raft are definitely coming from here.
So cut the network connection, brick the computer, no more boss giving them orders.
Exactly.
The underground basement hideout where they planned all their takedown Harlem schemes. Cool, cool, cool. These guys really don't care who gets hurt, as long as their boss gets what he wants. Ugh. Someone invested in a zoom lens. They're trying to find me. This is why Pete's always telling me to keep the mask on.
Wow.
I think I'll take this off their hands. Feast North, Caleb's barbershop, the power plant, everywhere they've targeted. Money, land, control. This guy wants everything. Can you help me run a hybrid attack?
Sure, but first try VANESSA.
Vanessa?
If this setup belongs to who I think it does,
Vanessa Fisk, yeah.
What is this? Who are you?
oh crap.
Fisk?
A child playing dress-up, pretending to be Spider-Man.
I can sever the connection from here. Just keep him talking.
Fisk. I stop what you're doing in Harlem. You're done in my neighborhood.
Your neighborhood? How touching. You'll learn that when you cross me, the people you want to protect are the ones who suffer.
What did that mean?
I don't know. But we have to find out.
I should head back to the park. Tell Haley I took care of these guys.
Crack.
Stayed away from my neighborhood.
That's right.
Gonna take you down. Taking us off.
Dale, grata.
Oh!
Don't let him web you!
Oh boy.
Miles, just heard from Haley. They're hiding in a deli nearby.
Dang. Yo. Like, damn, Miles, why'd you have to do him like that?
I'm done with these guys.
I will.
Got a beat on the kid!
Targeting is working for me in this fight.
Taking you out!
Woo!
He's mobbing! What's wrong with you guys? Break him! Get Peter Pan down here! Stand to zero off my block! Dodge this!
Oh, dickhead.
Got him! Harlem's tougher than you on your best day.
Woo!
Didn't you hear? Spider-Man's looking out for Harlem.
Word up.
where gunmen attacked during the King's Day parade afterward.
Don't worry about it.
Dozens would have been harmed or killed if not for the intervention of Spider-Man, New York's second hero to go by that name.
It's my home, too.
Witnesses say gunmen carried out this attack on orders from Wilson Fisk.
I doubt that. Bye, Haley.
Aww.
Hope to see you again.
I like that. Oh, they let him keep the hat and the scarf? Alright. New suit.
This is done in Harlem.
And a
thanks to
trophy.
us. And don't say no.
What's that for? Unravel a criminal conspiracy in Harlem. No, I don't want to look at my trophies.
Miles, thanks to you. Something's weakening emergency responder communications. Should check it out.
Ooh.
If anyone on this channel can hear me, please respond. Spider-Man, thank God. Something's weakening our emergency comms. We can't get through to the fire department.
Is anyone still inside?
No, we got everyone out. But this fire's gonna jump if we don't get help. Hear that? Just noise now.
I think I can find the source. Don't worry, I'm gonna get your comms back up. The sooner I get to the source, the sooner the fire trucks get here. My webs can't handle a fire this big.
Fire's burning real good, and all I'm hearing is static. Guess powering down the tower worked. Insurance only pays out if the whole building goes down. So make sure the static stays till then.
They're weakening comms for an insurance scam? Gotta stop them.
Hey,
Sorry, guys. You really should have gone for the Spider-Man insurance.
it's Spider-Man! Fire's not done, so keep it busy! Going down! Got you now! Taking the shot! Take this! Get me!
Comms are weak because there's no power. I need to charge up that generator. Still getting a source for the weak comms. Must be another grouping on the scam. Hey, Mr. EMT. Dudes are trying to burn down that building for an insurance scam. That's why they're messing with your comms.
Are you serious? They're putting people in danger.
Yeah. How's the fire looking?
It's getting real close to jumping to the building next door, and I still can't reach the fire department.
Signal should be clear soon. Hang tight. I'll update you.
Wow.
Hang on. The signal's stronger
The
now.
environments look very
What'd you
crisp,
do?
dude.
Why are you always assuming things are my fault, huh? What's that about?
Can't wait. I gotta get those comms back to normal.
Money's as good as ours now.
And it's going straight into paying for my insurance. What a joke.
Hope the bug don't show up.
How's he doing that?
Hit it with that stuff! Start breathing! I beat up scrawny punks like you every day!
So you can... Now to get the comms back to full power. There, I think that worked. I should check on the fire and make sure comms are back up. Hey, how's the signal now?
Everything's coming through loud and clear. Got through to dispatch, too. Fire trucks are pulling up now. Fire department got the building extinguished just in time. I'm definitely giving your app 5 stars.
Glad I could help. Spread the word, too. The more people use the app, the safer we'll make New York.
I'm gonna make sure everybody knows about it. Thanks again, Spider-Man.
All right. Time to call Finn. Hope she answers.
Not yet.
Always been afraid of a crane dropping something on me. No way am I letting one fall over.
Spider-Man, you came.
Your crane looks very drowsy. How can I help?
Yeah, drowsy. The motor burned out and all the ice buildups thrown it off balance.
Yep, that's bad, all right.
I cleared the area under the crane, but it could still fall onto the street. You gotta get the ice off before that happens.
I'm on it. Nice to meet you. Ugh. This is why Pete gave me a C in quipping.
Man, you skinny. Those icicles are bigger than you.
Almost done de-icing.
No.
Usually I'm terrible at breaking the ice, but oof, that was bad. Whew. Now to find a good spot to steady the crane from. Okay, just need to swing it back away from the street. Oh, no! Okay, didn't hurt anyone. But if I know my train schedules, I gotta get that off the tracks ASAP. I gotta break it quickly.
Ah.
Must punch faster. Time to bill. Well, stopping the crane was only the tip of the iceberg. But okay, that's enough ice puns for today. This is a super busy time of the year for Feast. I should help any way I can.
Are clearly emotional, young lady. So I'm invoking
Man,
the mercy
am I glad
rule
to see
on
you,
this
Spidey.
I heard you've been having some toy donation issues.
Hey, Spider-Man, I'm Sam. So, on my last inventory check, we had a couple hundred missing.
You think somebody stole them?
I don't know, but today we're supposed to have 2 trucks out making pickups. But our GPS transponders say there are 3. Something's up.
Sounds like you got yourself a poser. But how am I gonna know which one it is?
If you can check their license plates, we'll know which one shouldn't be out there.
You can count on me then. Genki, there are 3 Feast trucks out in the city and one of them is phony. Could use your help here.
You could use the camera in your suit to grab license plate numbers, and I'll run them against stolen car databases. Try it on that truck. It works! Okay, I got the truck locations from Feast, so you should see them now. Snap the plates, and I'll run them against the database.
You're the best, dude. Stand by for pics.
Got it.
Checking the plate. 1 sec. Bingo! Follow that truck.
Ah.
Listen, all I'm saying is don't make me look like an idiot in front of John,
Wow.
right? He's running this thing. Stealing toys? These kids are looking forward to this stuff. Hey, I didn't get presents as a kid, and I turned out fine.
Right.
Yeah, I'm about ready to sign off after this.
Sounds like they're stealing toys for some sort of deal. And this Joe is the one in charge. How am I gonna find him?
If you can grab pictures of their faces, I'll run them through facial recognition software and see if we get a match.
Okay. Sounds like I gotta use camo if I'm gonna get in close.
All right, checking the police database. Nope, picture of innocence. Next.
Oh. Dude. Really?
Cross-referencing. Hold, please. This one's clean. Nice photo, though. Nice. Running the photo. No history of crime here. Try again. All right, checking the police database. That's our Joe. Follow him.
Okay, and I already lost him.
That must be the buyers.
Once they're together, you can take out the whole operation.
Get off them.
The hell was that?
Stealing toys from kids? Were you guys trying to get
Wasn't sure if I was supposed to take him down right then, but whatever.
Way to be in the spirit of the holidays, guys.
The holidays are saved.
Cool.
Now, just check the truck and make sure the toys are still there.
Cool. Of course.
Hands off the merchandise! You ain't no...
Dude, give me a break, dude.
Cool. You got this, buddy.
That's it. I'm taking my toys and I'm going home.
I'm gonna end you!
Need help? Hey, Sam, I found the toys. I'm sending you the location, but they're all safe and sound at the docks in Midtown.
Ah, I'm so glad to hear that. On my way over right now. Can't thank you enough, Spider-Man. You just saved the holidays for a lot of kids. I'll make sure these toys get back safely.
Glad I could help, Sam. You have yourself a happy holiday.
Whew, all right. And with that, well, hold on. One more.
Time for a photo op.
One more, and I will sign off.
Bye.
Oh, Spider-Man. Hi. I know you're busy, but could I get a selfie with you?
Yeah, sure thing.
Oh my God.
Can't
thank
be
you.
this easy.
Pose right there.
No way. Yeah. If I say no, then I'm about to give me a gimme.
It's great. Thank you.
Aw.
To aim at what?
If I web up the busted parts, it won't get worse. More ruptures open.
Ah, come on.
this pipe is not up to code.
Oh, come on, is right. Dude, come on.
That can't be good. Not good, not good. Gotta put that fire out. Please work. Here we go. And the fire department should be here soon.
Thanks, Spider-Man. Never seen a gas line blow like that. Good thing you got here as fast as you did.
It's all good. I was in the neighborhood.
Other guys are telling me you got an app. I'm usually bad with technology, but for you, I'll check it out.
And that will do it for me. So if you've been watching on Twitch, thank you for watching. Please give me a follow. If you tuned in late, this is going to be on my YouTube channel after I get done editing it down. So thanks for watching. Thanks for following. If you don't subscribe yet, please do. And I will see y'all for the next one.